بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
سبح اسم ربك الأعلى.
Proclaim the purity of the name of your Lord who is the most high,
الذي خلق فسوى
the one who created creation and then proportioned it,
والذي قدر فهدى
and the one who properly measured everything and then guided them,
والذي أخرج المرعى
the one who produced hay,
فجعله غثاء أحوى
then turns it dry, black.
سنقرئك فلا تنسى
O beloved, we shall now teach you the Quran that you will not forget,
إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى
except what Allah wills. Indeed, He knows all what is apparent and all what is concealed.
ونيسرك لليسرى
And we shall create the means of ease for you, O beloved.
فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى
Therefore, you keep on advising the people, if advising is beneficial to them.
سيذكر من يخشى
Soon whosoever fears Allah will accept advice,
ويتجنبها الأشقى
and the most unfortunate will stay away from it,
الذي يصلى النار الكبرى
who will enter the biggest fire,
ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا
then he neither dies in it nor lives peacefully.
قد أفلح من تزكى
Indeed, successful is the one who became pure
وذكر اسم ربه فصلى
and offered salah, having mentioned the name of his Lord.
بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا
Rather, you prefer the life of this world,
والآخرة خير وأبقى
and the hereafter is better and everlasting.
إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى
Indeed, this is mentioned in the former scriptures as well.
صحف إبراهيم وموسى
In the scriptures of Ibrahim and Musa.
صدق الله العظيم.